Merlin here again. Well, as you can see, we've now got the skirt rail reattached. I sanded all the way around so I could get into those edges good. Then I can actually start sanding the rest of the hull. But I got the whole area where the skirt attaches sanded. And what I got to do now is I got to fit my top plate to where it'll fit around this stuff here. And I'm going to put a little more reinforcement in there and seal that up with filling foam, so the air can't go back down through the back tunnel, so all the air will be forced to go down the sides and out the front. So that's where we're at. It's making progress. I did notice this has been busted out, and somebody did a crappy job of patching that back in. But what I plan to do is, since I'm going to have a full thrust, I'm going to actually cut that right across there and open the rest of it back up. So that really won't matter when I get that done. So anyway, that's where we're at. We now have a downpour, so I'm going to close the shop up and come in just in case it's a thunderstorm. But that's it. Thanks for watching.